Oh, record this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. The water's so beautiful.
It must be so cold though. Наташ, такие большие рыбины.
No, we got snorkel, so we're gonna snorkel.
This is how cold.
It's no big one, it's a tiny fish. It's very shallow, nice.
There's an alligator right
You see alligator?
there.
Oh, okay. The baby alligator. It's
At
not
least
a
it's clear
baby.
we can see it.
What is it, alligator? Oh, okay. We didn't go here yet. So.
Here's the trace closed.
Oh, okay, that's sad.
О, ну да, там было написано, что закрытый тренер. Причем по листьям видно, что он давно закрыт.
Yeah, it closed a long time.
Long time closed. Жалко. По сломанному-то.
Oh, yeah. Abandoned trail. We can get Monica with us next time.
Yeah. Very interesting. Broken.
Oh, we
Broken. Water
sometimes
broken.
sometimes we do things without groups, like today. And we found abandoned trail. I forgot where. I need to look again.
Very interesting.
It's really awesome.
О, something. Можно идти, вон, видишь, есть все-таки чуток.
It's another trail here.
Или мы приехали.
I don't know what is it. Maybe campground or something.
Ага, непонятно.
Yeah, we can't even go there.
Ah, okay.
В общем, я за этот трейл, который сломанный.
Okay.
Запиши его себе.
Mom, in the winter we hike.
Да,
так.
не в жару, потому что я
Ну.
вообще не могу в жару.
Right there.
Oh,
Yeah, that's where I wanna go to snorkel.
They went like that and they landed on their back. They So like
Помаши ручкой. Ручкой помаши. On a walkway because I don't have a shoes. Oh, this one just go around, right? Yeah. Isn't it? Yes.
Yeah, I think they inside.
Yeah, this one is just a circling around. So guys, don't be aware of alligator. Please do not feed wildlife. I'm gonna go. Here is the fingers. You can try some. Oh my gosh! Don't feed alligator. One time we went to one park. I forgot. I think it's a gator blah blah or something.
Gatorland?
No, not a gator. Something else. It's also, they have lots of gators up there, and they have a sign like "Don't molest gator, alligator."
Oh yeah, I saw that sign before.
And I'm like, yeah, who wanna do that?
Well, you wouldn't be surprised. There's
How,
some people
how are you
out
gonna
there.
molest the gator?
There's some weirdos out there.
I don't know. You have to have like really like a spacesuit or something if you wanna molest a gator. I just wanna see the kayak launch here, but yeah. They're 1 mile away from here, as I said already. Oh, look, the baby, not a baby, like a tiny kayak. Yeah, this is a canoe and kayak. Oh, look, the hard shell board. That's what I want when I get a bigger car.
Yeah, but I want a little wider.
So we can do yoga. Oh, it's a nice board.
Okay, we should go any further. Hi.
No, we just want to see the side, how it looks like.
What's that?
Just want to see how it looks like here.
Oh, you're gonna take some kayaks out, you said?
No,
No.
not today, but in the future.
Alrighty.
How much is for the day for the kayak?
Well, we rent them. I mean, I don't know the day price. Like we rent them. Normally people get them by $2.
$30 for 12.
You see the little fin, like for environment, probably checking out the water or something over there. And here is already park. So if we launch from those free parking, it's 1 mile away. Well, now we're not gonna do this because we've been here. We're just gonna start doing downstream right away. But One time we did in the South Spring. We launched in somewhere else. We come swim in South Springs, enjoy the spring, and we left and kayak after that in a different place. Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah,
See, we paid like 200 something for. You paid 200 something. I paid because I didn't have chair and a double the paddle. 200 divided by 20 for 1 hour. And how many hours it's gonna be? 10 hours is gonna be pay off. So
Yeah.
yesterday you kayak what, 2 hours?
It was 2 hours? It felt like a little more.
No,
Yeah,
because
it was 2 hours.
it felt more. You know why? Because it took time to blow the fin. But the completely it was about 2 hours.
2 hours. Yeah,
So if
I
you
already
kayak,
did twice.
yeah, so 10 hours divided by minus two, you know, you're almost done to pay for your
Yeah.
so, and after that it's gonna be free.